WACSI and in partnership with OSIWA have designed this 2-year capacity development program for organizations from 4 Francophone African countries. Those countries are Benin, Niger, Guinea and Cote d'Ivoire. We have reached the middle stage of the first phase. We've already had 2 training courses. The first training course was on board governance and strategic planning, and the other course was on human resource management. We've had very positive feedback from these courses. We've had participants committing to make changes in their organization, in their boards, and changes to their human resource development plans. We are now in having a social relaxation event or a leisure talk, and this is a very important aspect of the whole training. It will help us to understand ourselves better, to appreciate all the tourist attractions we have in Africa, to promote inter-African tourism, and to also add value to the program. As you can see, the falls at the back is very, very beautiful. Before that, we went and learned more about Guinea's history, and we've learned a lot of things today and made us appreciate and understand Guinea. Next week we'll continue with the rest of the courses: financial management, budgeting and grant reporting, monitoring and evaluation. And we hope that those courses, we know that those courses will also be very rich. We'll have very seasoned trainers, and we'll have very good input from OSIWA resource persons. This program, we hope, will achieve at the end of the 2 years a lot of significant changes in these organizations, and then the organizations will become stronger, more robust, and they'll be able to achieve their mandates. At the end of the 2-year process, what WACSI and OSIWA want to see are organizations that can be partnered, organizations that are credible, organizations that are more efficient and more effective, and are organizations that are able to influence policy reform and policy change in their various countries.
Okay, Mr. Charles Van Dyke, thank you very much. How do you think the participants appreciate this extracurriculum program, and how do you think in the end this can impact on their work as civil society practitioners? Thank you for that.
This social relaxation program is very important. I think they've appreciated it so much. They've said this has added value to the whole training. They've learned a lot about Guinea. They've learned a lot about each other. They are now becoming much closer. It's forging professional relationships. It's opening up people to share their experiences. So if you look at all these things, this whole program will add value to the rest of the training. It will ginger and gear up the participants to want to make significant changes in their organization. And they will leave here, we hope, after the 2 weeks, energized and full of vigor and dynamism to go out there and make sure that they implement what they've committed to implementing in their action plan.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
you. Okay, dear viewers, here you have Francophone. I'm part of this program to assist in the implementation, in the monitoring and in the overall assistance of the program. We hope that this extracurriculum activity can help boost the overall goal of the capacity development program initiated by WACSI in collaboration with OSIWA. And we want to appeal to all civil society practitioners to go deep into their stems, to learn about their histories, to know their continent, and to mainstream their strategies based on the past experiences to help our society get better and achieve better goals. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Frank.